Following the collapse of all the Kenyan cases at the International Criminal Court, the focus now turns to the victims of the post-election violence and how to ensure that the country does not sink to such dark moment in its history. The Law Society of Kenya is proposing a local mechanism to deter any act of political violence and related crime during and after general elections. LSK wants the country to establish independent High Court division to deal exclusively with crimes against humanity. According to LSK Chairman Isaac Okero, such judicial mechanism would give desperate Kenyans hope.
I call on the authorities of the Republic of Kenya to surrender these three suspects to the court so their guilt or innocence.
The LSK at the same time supported summons by ICC for 3 Kenyans accused of witness tampering. But as the LSK lobbies for the local judicial mechanisms, leaders are divided on whether Kenya should pull out of the Rome Statute.
Function of ICC as a court is important. I think it acts as a check on authoritarian leadership and dictatorship, but nonetheless, it requires a lot of reform.
I believe that we should be able to go ahead as Kenya and convince the rest of Africa to withdraw from ICC.
You know, as much as we want democracy, we also want justice for everybody. And in my opinion, I think we should not withdraw. I think we should stay in. But
elsewhere, a section of leaders led by Wiper's Kalonzo Musyoka have faulted the Saturday's Thanksgiving prayer meeting meant for Ruto and Sang, saying it should instead be a national event.
Kama wenzetu wa Jubilee wangetaka national healing and reconciliation, mkutano wa aina hiyo ungekutanisha makabila yote 42 Kenya hii, then you will see national healing and national reconciliation.
Kwa sababu yaliyomwangika ayasoleki. Naomba taifa lote la Kenya tusahau hayo na tuwasaidie hawa waadhiriwa, na tumuombe Mungu atuletee amani na atusindishie baraka ya utangamano.
Bishop Karanja, Bishop Ndambuki, iteni mkutano Uhuru Park kama mnataka Mungu atusikie na atuitikie, tuweze kuombea wale ambao wajaombewa hata siku moja, na Mungu ataitikia maombi ya Wakenya.
The prayer meeting will be held at Nakuru's Afraha Stadium this weekend.
We also want to thank and welcome the President also for choosing and honoring Nakuru to be the place where this Thanksgiving service will be held.
But we felt, because we are the pastors and the church leaders in Nakuru, it would be unfair for him to come without even our involvement, by inviting him to let him know that we are together with him.
Samson Kitavi, Channel 1 News.
Okay.